Yes friends, today we are going to learn about basics of multiplication. Basics of multiplication. So what is multiplication and what are the multiplication rules and everything we are going to discuss here. First, what we are going to discuss in this multiplication chapter. First one, in multiplication, so what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So in this chapter we are going to discuss that how to add repeated, what is mean by repeated addition and how it is multiplication. How it is multiplication. Then we are going to discuss multiplication as repeated addition. This is our first topic in our chapter. Then second, multiplication on number line. Multiplication on the number line, this is our second topic. Multiplication of addition we did, multiplication of subtraction we did on number line. And again in multiplication also, multiplication on number line we are going to discuss in this chapter. So already two things over, what? Addition on number line, subtraction on number line, this is over. This is completed. And in this chapter again multiplication on number line also we are going to discuss. This is our second topic. First topic, multiplication as repeated addition. So this we are going to discuss today. And multiplication on the number line, this is also we are going to discuss today in this chapter, second topic. And the third topic, multiplication tables. Or you should learn tables, multiplication tables. Multiplication tables. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table, all. So you should by heart all these tables, multiplication tables. So multiplication using tables. Using tables, this is our third topic in this chapter. And what is the fourth topic? Fourth topic is multiplication facts. What are the facts? So like in addition also, we learn addition facts. So, and subtraction facts. What is addition facts? 1 plus 0 is how much? 1 plus 1 is how much? In subtraction, 1 minus 1 is how much? 1 minus 0 is how much? These all facts we learn in addition and also in subtraction. So in like way, in the same way, multiplication facts also we are going to learn. So in this chapter, this is our fourth topic in a chapter. Then fifth, multiplication of two-digit number by a single digit. A single digit. Here, multiplication, we are going to multiply two-digit number with a single digit number. So this is the last topic in our chapter. So total 5 topics were there. First one is multiplication as a repeated addition. We are going to discuss this one. And the second, we are going to discuss multiplication on the number line. How to multiply, how to check, how to find multiplication on a number line. So this is our second topic. And third topic, using tables. Using tables, so we are going to multiply. So for this, all you should know tables, all you should by heart tables perfectly. Next, multiplication facts. What are the multiplication facts? That's facts. So we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss. Then multiplication of two-digit number. Again, in the last two-digit numbers, so multiplication with a single digit number we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay? Yes. Now friends, so recapitulate our previous multiplication chapter. So then first here, repeated addition. Our first topic is repeated addition. So then what is actually repeated addition means? Here, so some cherries are given. So equal number of cherries are given in first group, in second group, in third group. In all the three groups, equal number of cherries are given. First you count how many cherries are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 cherries. And here how many cherries were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And here how many cherries were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cherries. Equal number of cherries were there, so we have to add. Repeated means same numbers we have to add. So this is only our repeated addition. Same number, same number, same number, same number. If we add same number repeatedly, so that is nothing but repeated addition. That is nothing but repeated addition. Here repeatedly the 6 number, 6 cherries, 6 cherries and 6 cherries. We are going to add equal number of cherries, we are adding 3 times. Then 6, 6 and also 6. 6 plus 6 how much? 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 again 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total how much? 18 cherries. 18 cherries were there. So in the repeated addition, if 6 is added 3 times, repeatedly if we add 6 3 times, then what is the answer? 18 is our answer. Once you count all cherries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cherries. 18 cherries. This is nothing but a repeated addition. If same number, if we add repeatedly the same number, add number of times, maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times, maybe 5 times, that is nothing but repeated addition. That is nothing but repeated addition. In the same way, here some fishes were given in each group. This is first group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. In all 4 groups, number of fishes are same. How many fishes were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 fishes. In the second group, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes. Equal fishes. In all the 4 groups, equal fishes were there. If we add equal fishes 4 times, maybe 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, whatever it is. Number of times, if we add same number with number of times means 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, that is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition. So this you understand first. Repeated addition means if we add same number, so either 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, number of times, whatever required number of times, it is nothing but our repeated addition. Our repeated addition. Here 4, 4, 4, 4. We have to add all these 4s. Then 4. After 4 again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. After 8 again 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 again one more 4. 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 fishes. Total 16 fishes. That we have to write in the box. Now we count number of fishes. All fishes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 fishes. Now here, in the third question, some cards were given, equal number of cards were given. So how many groups were there here? This is one group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. In total 4 groups, number of cars are equal. Here 1 and 2. 2 cars. Here how many cars? 1 and 2. 2 cars. 1 and 2. 2 cars. 1 and 2. 2 cars. Here equal number of cars added 4 times. Added 4 times. It is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition. Now add 2. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Total how many cars? 8 cars. Total 8 cars. Now you count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a addition. Repeated addition. Repeated addition. If same number added many times, maybe 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 2 times, whatever. So that is nothing but repeated addition. Yes, now students, here the next one is look how many. Look how many. Here we are going to introduce a multiplication, repeated addition. How the repeated addition, sir, will do in short using multiplication. Using multiplication. So okay, here first, here groups are given triangles. This is one group, this is another group, this is another group. Total 2. So then 2 triangles here, 2 triangles in another group, 2 triangles in another group. This is one group, this is another group, this is another group. 2, 2, 2. 2 threes, 2 threes. 2 threes how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 threes is nothing but equal to 6. Equal to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is nothing but that is equal to 6. That is equal to 6. And there are in each group 2 triangles were there. How many triangles were there? 2 triangles were there. Add 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 by using addition, repeated addition. Repeated addition. Then you can multiply in short. So this all answer if you are going to add 3 times, it takes some time. So here only 2 2's were there. In some groups 5 5 5 5 5 5 if 5 5 5 articles were there. So it takes much time. So because of this, the multiplication, it is very useful to do. Find the solution in short. Then how to find repeated addition in short using multiplication. Using multiplication. Here how many groups were there? How many groups in each group? How many triangles were there? 2, 2, 2. In each group 2 triangles were there. 2 triangles. Then how many groups were there? Number of groups. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. 3 groups. In each group 2 triangles were there. So that we represent like this. So then total how many groups were there? 3 groups. That we represent here. Then after that we find the product. 2 3s are 6. In short, so we can find our answer using multiplication. So what we are doing here? Here, so we are finding how many articles, how many triangles. Maybe here triangle is there. In some pictures, different picture will be there. So no matters, whatever. So whatever the picture is there, it doesn't matter. So just we have to look how many articles were there, how many triangles were there, how many members are there, whatever it is, according to the picture. According to the picture we have to take. Sometimes, so we can replace according to here triangle is there. I want to replace some article, teddy bear like that. So that is our wish. So whatever image is there, according to that we have to count and we have to say. Here in each group, here this is first group, second group, third group. In each group how many triangles were there? 2 triangles. That we have to write first, 2 triangles. And how many groups were there? This is first group, this is second group, this is third group. Then total 3 groups. Number of groups multiply with, so articles in each group. So then 2 3s are 6. We will get answer 6. This is called product. This is called product. So in short form, repeated addition. So using repeated addition, so we can use in short multiplication. We get direct answer within a short time. Within 1 second or 2 seconds, we get our answer in short time. So this is a shortcut method. Using multiplication, we will find repeated addition. By using multiplication, repeated multiplication, we can find the answer. How? Number of articles in each group and number of groups. Then multiply both. Then we will get our answer, that is total articles or total triangles or whatever it is in the group. Okay? Yes, now students, So now we are going to discuss, we are going to learn about multiplication on number line. So then how to multiply on number line. You can see here. So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20. So then total equal groups are there, so equal groups. So then this is first group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, 10th group. Total 10 groups were there. Total how many groups were there here? Total here 10 groups. That to equal. Equal group means equal skip counting. 2 to skip counting is there. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20. Means equal skip counting. Skip counting means 2 to skip counting is there. How much? 2 to skip counting. If we multiply that skip counting 2, then 10 2s are 20. 20 is our answer. So where it stops? At 20. It means if we make 10 2 skip countings, then the answer is 20. Then the answer is 20. So in short form we can find the number of where it stops using multiplication. Using multiplication. First we have to check how many are there. How many skip countings were there? 10 skip countings. Then what is the skip counting? 2 skip counting is there. So multiply with 2. Then you will get total 20 answer. Where we stop, that number we will get. That number we will get. In the same way, so number of skip countings here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times we skip? 3 times. 5 times, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times. So this represents number of times we skip counts. 5 times. Then what is the skip counting here? How much we skip? 3, 3. 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12 means 3, 3, 3, 3 skip counting. So 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 2, 2, 2 to 3, 3. 3 skip counting. 3, 3 skip counting. Multiply with 3. 3 5 is 15. Where it stops? 15. So here number of skip countings, number of times we skip count, and how much skip counting is there? 3 skip counting is there. So that multiply with that number. So this shows, the first one shows here number of times the given skip counts. Number of times. Here, so what is the skip counting here? 3, 3, 3, 3 skip counting here. So multiply 5 with 3, then you will get 15. So by using the multiplication we can find like this. This is our explanation, and in exercise one question is given. So this number line is given, this number line is given, and 3 5s is given. 3 5s are, it means 3, and skip counting is 5. Skip counting, this represents skip counting. 5 5 5 is skip counting. How to take? 3 times we have to take. How many times we have to take? 3 times we have to take. And what is the skip counting? 5 5 5 is skip counting. So this, in this way we have to find. So what it represents? It represents skip counting. 5 5 5 skip counting is there. Then how many times? 3 times. It shows number of times. It shows skip counting. Skip counting. So then 0 to 5 first. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Then again 5 skip count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second. 5 to 10. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to 15. How many times? 3 times. If you skip count 3 times, this is first time, this is second time, this is third time. If you skip count 3 times, then where it stops? 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. In this way, so we have to represent on number line. On number line, this represents keep counting. These represent number of times we have to skip. The given keep counting. Okay. So in this way, we have to find multiplication on number line. Multiplication on number line.